How to make Aviator Predictor bot in Telegram. First, open up your Telegram app. In search bar, look for bot father and select the verified bot father bot. Then start a chat with bot father and then type /new bot and follow the instructions to name your bot and create a username ending with bot and save your bot token. Once created, bot father will provide you with a unique API token. Save this token securely. You will need to connect to your bot and set up a server or use a bot hosting service. You need a place to run your Aviator Predictor bot code. Use a server or cloud platform that supports running Python, Node.js, or another programming language. Then write the bot code. Add logic for the Aviator Predictor, such as calculating and sending predictions or responding to commands. Then connect your bot to the Telegram API. Use the Telegram bot libraries to connect your code with Telegram's API using your saved token. Then test your bot. Run your bot on the server and test it by messaging your bot in Telegram. Make sure it replies with predictions or intended behavior. Then deploy and share. Once tested, keep your bot running on your servers. Share the bot username with others so they can start using it. Subscribe.